Just want to share my first withdrawal with MPT. So here I have already 20 MBT, 20.66 MBT, right? Now we're going to claim this 4.4 MBT from which I deposited yesterday at 7 a.m. here in the Philippines. $320 MBT. Now I have 4.41 MBT to claim. Let's try. So as you see, it's already 0.3 zeros already claim, and we'll check our wallet from MetaMask. Token, we have now 25 MBT. Here, if you want to swap from your for example your reward to BNB, just go swap, and then here and put the, and vice versa. Okay. If you want to stake also, you just to take the contract address, you can see here the contract address, copy here and paste to your MetaMask or whatever wallet you have, and then buy BT MBT from PancakeSwap. I bought also 2 NFT yesterday, and I'm still waiting what would be the 1.5 dividend for this day. I'm still waiting for the update. Okay, that would be all, guys. Just contact me if you interested with this project MBT. Thank you.